What is up, everybody? Thank you for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial with me, the Chord Basher. In this one, we're going to learn how you play Cold Water by Justin Bieber on the acoustic guitar. Really nice song to play. I'm going to show you two ways to play this. First of all, we're going to be playing it with our bar chords, and then we're going to be playing it in the open position with a capo across the second fret. So first of all, we're going to check out the bar chord way of playing it. So we have, up here is our F sharp minor, and we're playing that as a bar chord up on the 9th fret. So what we're going to do is we're going to bar all the way from string number 5 down like this, pressing nice and hard on the 9th fret. We're going to put our second finger on the 10th fret, the second string, and then we're going to put our third finger on the 11th fret of the third string. Of the 4th string, beg your pardon, and then the pinky finger on the 3rd string of that 11th fret. And you're going to strum from string number 5 down. That is our F sharp minor. And that's the first chord. And we're going to strum or pluck with our plectrum, and we're going to go. So what I'm doing here, I'm going 5, 4, 3, and then upstroke from the 2nd and the 3rd string. If you catch that top E string, it doesn't matter. So that's the first chord, F sharp minor, and that's strumming. So we've got this. And then we're going to move, that second chord is actually an A major, but we're going to play it up here. And we're going to do that by barring from string number 5 down across the 12th fret. And then we're going to bar on string number 4, 3, 2 on the 14th fret. So you've got 4, 3, 2, 5. So you've got 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's just an A major up on that 14th. And it's the same plucking pattern. So we've got. Just slow that down. And then we're going to move all the way down to a D flat minor. And it's the same position as. Same sort of finger position as the F sharp minor, but we're going to move that all the way down. So we've got our first finger barring fret number 4, second finger on string number 2, fret number 5, third finger on fret number 6, string number 4, and then our pinky finger on fret number 6, string number 3. And we're going to strum from the 5th string down. Again, it's the same plucking pattern though. So we should have this so far. Then we're moving to our final chord, which is actually a D major. And again, it's the same sort of bar chord position as that A, but we're down on the 5th fret now. So we're going to bar 5th fret from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 with our first finger, and then we're going to bar with our third finger, fret number 7 on 4, 3, 2. It should sound like this. But of course, we're having the same plucking pattern again, so we're going. So let's put all of that together. Experiment, play along with the song as well, that really helps. So you could actually open those chords up instead of just plucking, you can strum. Experiment with that strumming pattern. So that's how we play it with our bar chords. What we're going to do now is use our capo. So we're going to put a capo across the 2nd fret. Should sound like that. And we're going to have our E minor. And then we've got G major. These are the positions I'm talking about with the capo. So E minor position, G major position, and then we've got that same chord as the last one, which is D flat minor, and then a C major position.